Good morning students. In previous lecture we focus on significant figures, the rule of significant figures. Today we discuss how to make the addition and subtraction of significant figure. Addition and subtraction of significant figures. Okay. How to make the addition of significant figures. Okay. For that we first take example. First 43.1 plus 4.31 plus 0.431. Okay. Here it is 1, 4, 8, 7 and 4. Means total addition is 47.841. If you count the number of significant figures in each case, here there are 3 significant figures, here there are 3 significant figures, here also 3 significant figures. But there is no issue that how many significant figures are present in your given example. When you make the addition, your first rule is least number of digits after decimal component. Okay. This component has least number of digits after decimal. Least number of digits after decimal. Okay. If you see this, it has 1 digit after decimal, it has 2, it has 3. So least number of digits after decimal is 43.1. So your answer should have only one digit after decimal. Here the significant figures are 5, but after decimal you have only 1. So your answer is 47.8 having 3 significant figures. Okay. So when you make addition, your first is how many digits after decimal. Second, your answer should have that much of digit after decimal. So it has 3 significant figures. Now we take the second example. Second, 0.0025 plus 4.1167 plus 5.0071. Okay. If you make addition, it is 3, 6, 2, 0 point means 10.00263. Okay. If you count, it has 2 significant figure. It has 3 significant figure. This third component have 5 significant figure. This third component have again 5 significant figure, and your answer have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 significant figure. Okay. But our rule is how many digits are, means least number of digits after decimal. If you saw here, there are 4 units. It is also have 4 units. It is also have 4 units. Means all these have same number of digit after decimal, that is 4. So your answer should have 4 decimal point, 4 digits after decimal point. Okay. First is least number of digit after decimal is same, that is 4 is equal to 4. Therefore answer should have 4 digits after decimal. Therefore answer is 10.0263, having 6 significant figure. 6 significant figures. Okay. Now we make the next example. $10.414 plus 0.0037 plus 9.02. If you make addition, it is 7, 7, 3, 4 point 19.437. This first component have 5 significant figures. In this 2 significant figures, and this third component have 3 significant figures, and your answer have 6 significant figure. But our rule is first least number of digits after decimal. It has 2 digit, it has 3 digit, it has 4. So we make least number of digits after decimal is equal to 3, because your 9.02 have 3 significant figure, that is digits are 2 digits. Therefore answer should have only 2 digits after decimal. Therefore answer is 19.43. because you have only 2 digits after decimal. So we consider only this answer having 4 significant figure. Significant figures. Okay. If you notice this, we only add this. Means this figure is totally out of our addition because it has 2 digits after decimal are 0.00. Okay. Now we solve the problems based on subtraction. First example, 44.341 minus 4.4432. Okay. This component have 5 number of significant figure and it is also have 5 number of significant figure. But the rule is same for addition and subtraction. That is, first is you have to take the least number of digit after decimal. It has 3 digit after decimal, it has 4 digit after decimal. So we take first, that is 44.341 and other component have only 3 digit after decimal, that is minus 4.443. Okay. The subtraction is 39.898. Okay. It has 5 significant figures. Okay. It has 4 significant figures, but we didn't count how many number of significant figures are present in your given component. You first make the minimum number of digit after decimal, take other component have same number of digits after decimal, make their subtraction and take your answer. Okay, this answer has 5 significant figures. Now take second example, 19.4197 minus 19.4153. Okay, if you make the subtraction, here it is 4.00. Okay, our first rule is find the least number of digits after decimal. Here they are 4, here also they are 4. So our answer should have 4 digits after decimal. In this, total number of significant figures are 6. Here it is again 6 and it has only 2 significant figures. But our answer should have 4 digits. Therefore, answer is 0.0044 having 2 significant figures. Okay. In example, having 6, here it is 6. Okay, but answer have only 2 significant figure. Now we take the third example, that is 4.96 minus 0.00321 or 321. Okay, if you saw this example, okay, the number of significant figures are 3. Here number of significant figures are 3. Okay. If you make subtraction, okay, it is, your first rule is find the minimum number of digits after decimal. Here the minimum number of digits after decimals are 2. So we take 4.96 minus 0.00, means this figure should not consider in your subtraction. So your answer is 4.96 having 3 significant figures. Having 3 significant figures. Okay, means when you make addition or subtraction, your first point is find the minimum number of digits after decimal. You don't think how many significant figures are in your example or in your answer. Okay, you first only find how many digits are, minimum number of digits are present after decimal, and that should be in your answer. Here they are 3, so we take answer in answer 3. Here they are 4, so in answer we take 4 significant figures. Here they are 2, okay, so we take in answer 2 figures after decimal. Okay, these are the rules for addition or subtraction. For addition or subtraction, rules are same, only you have to take addition or subtraction. Thank you.